Audible is deleting audiobooks people paid for. No notification, no warning, no refund. 1 minute it's on your shelf, the next minute it's just gone, and unless you check your library manually, you won't even know about it. This is happening more than you think, and I'm going to show you what to do about it. First, why is this happening at all? 3 main reasons. 1, the license expires. Audible's deal with the publisher runs out and the book gets yanked from everyone's library at once. 2, a new narrator version comes out. The old version gets quietly delisted. 3, the publisher re-releases with a new cover or new ISBN. The old version vanishes from your shelf. Here's where it gets worse. When you contact Audible support to ask for your book back, they often can't find it in your purchase history. You end up having to prove you bought it in the first place. One user said on Reddit, if they can't easily spot it in your history, they'll just tell you that you never owned it. You paid for the book, you've got email receipts, Amazon has the order number, but the burden is on you to chase it down. Now, here's the thing, this isn't just Audible, it's the future of digital everything. Kindle, ebooks, PlayStation games, iTunes, films, Spotify music, all of them. When you click the buy button on any digital content, you're not really buying it, you're renting it indefinitely. Every one of these platforms can pull the content you've paid for at any time, for any reason. 4 things to do. 1, save every Audible purchase email. It's your proof. 2, check your Amazon digital purchase history. Every Audible buy is in there with an order number. 3, if you want proper control, use a free app called Libation. It's open source and it downloads your whole Audible library as playable files you actually own. 4, for future purchases, look at libro.fm or Downpour. They sell DRM free audiobooks, no licenses to expire. Check your Audible library now. Has anything vanished? Drop a comment below.